Linking your bank account to Robinhood allows you to fund your account and make transactions easily. Follow these steps to connect your bank account to your Robinhood account. Step 1. Open the Robinhood app. Launch the Robinhood app on your mobile device. If you do not have the app installed, download it from the App Store or Google Play Store and create an account if you haven't already. Step 2. Go to account settings. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 3. Select banking. In the account settings menu, look for the banking option. Tap on it to begin the process of linking your bank account to your Robinhood account. Step 4. Add your bank account. You will see an option to link bank account. Tap on it and follow the prompts to enter your bank account information. You may need to provide your bank's routing number and your account number. Step 5. Verify your bank account. After entering your bank details, Robinhood may require you to verify your account. This can be done through micro-deposits where small amounts are sent to your bank account for you to confirm. Follow the instructions provided to complete the verification process. Once you have completed these steps, your bank account should be successfully linked to your Robinhood account. You can now easily transfer funds and manage your investments.